if they cut Medicaid and Medicare, this is what I'm really trying to help y'all to understand. 70% of Medicaid and Medicare is covered by the federal government. First of all, in order for states to be able to cover the gap, if they send Medicaid and Medicare coverage back to the states, we'd have to stop giving our federal taxes. Every state would have to hold some of that federal tax to be able to make up for the gap of the 70% they're supposed to be covering. Here's the point though. Medicaid and Medicare getting cut is not going to just impact the people who are receiving it. All of us, me included, who has private healthcare insurance through my job, all of us are in trouble because their healthcare system's expenditure is being supported by Medicaid and Medicare. Organizations all over the nation are going to have to close without being able to bill for Medicaid and Medicare patients, meaning those of us who have private insurance will have less access to care. There will be less professionals. More healthcare professionals will be laid off. More acute hospitals will close. And if you know anything about the healthcare system, there's already a huge barrier in access of care for those who are low income and live in rural areas. Funny enough, mostly Trump supporters. So even if you have private health care, it won't matter because the next doctor's appointment is going to be 8 months from now. God forbid you have a medical emergency and you need to go to a hospital, that motherfucker may not be open. All of the projects that were already currently being worked on will most likely be halted. Our mental health care system is going to collapse immediately. Listen, I keep telling y'all, they don't want to hear that woke shit no more. Eventually, they ain't gonna have to hear not a motherfucking thing liberal again because ain't shit gonna be woke. They're gonna be taking a permanent sleep. Keep fucking around, y'all.
The one big beautiful bill, that budget bill adopted in the House after Speaker Mike Johnson and the president had to make some calls to Republican holdouts. After canceling the vote, the House sent members home just to have them return around minutes later and finish the job. So who held out only to get calls from the president? Well, here they are. In the end, everyone you see here switched positions, except for Congressman Thomas Massie from Kentucky there. He was the sole Republican member to vote no. Moments ago, President Trump got this question about what this bill means for your Medicare, Medicaid, and Social Security.
The spending bill that passed last night aims to cut $2 trillion. Right. Can you guarantee that Medicare, Medicaid, Social Security will not be touched?
Yeah, I mean, I have said it so many times, you shouldn't be asking me that question. Okay? This will not be read my lips. It won't be read my lips anymore. We're not going to touch it. Now, we are going to look for fraud. I'm sure you're okay with that, like people that shouldn't be on, people that are illegal aliens.